Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change the language used in your Microsoft account. How to change languages in your Microsoft account. So the first thing you do is log in or sign into your Microsoft account using your email and your password. And the next thing you do is from here, over here, click on your info. And then from here, you're going to see the language here. This is language. Click on it to change the display language. So let's say I don't want to use English United States. I want to use English, let's say English Britain or United Kingdom. Yeah, here it is. Click on it. So you click on search bar and you type in the one you want. Now, don't forget that this website, OneDrive, and certain online Microsoft 365 apps will appear in the language you select here. So click on change display language. The display language will be changed to English United Kingdom. Click on OK. So rolling, and it's done. Your display language has changed to English United Kingdom. To see the language you chose on other Microsoft sites, sign out and sign in. Okay, so you also have ask me for translating. So let's see what we got there. So you can also add preferred languages here. So as you can see, add languages you understand in order of preference. You'll be able to auto edit in these languages. You won't automatically transmit messages to the language you select. So let's add the language. I also know English United States, basically English and French, a bit of French. But my French is kind of weird. It's not, it sounds like Nigerian French, which means it's a French but a Nigerian accent. So it sounds Nigerian French, Frenchy. Alright, so I've added the language, English United States. So that's it. So let's go back. Now next on translation, ask me before translating. Choose when to translate messages. Ask me before translating, or always translate, or never translate. So ask me before translating is preferable. Translate into, always translate languages into English for me. Français, that's very, you see French, but no, we do not understand French. Let's not do what we do not understand. Oh my god, these are a lot of options. But let us see, where's English? Is it because I chose English? I only chose English. Okay, this English. Yeah, got it. Messages written in your preferred languages won't be translated. So in other words, I just cancelled what I did because I chose English as my preferred language, English as my default language, and now I'm asking to translate into English. So I'm going to translate English into English. That's weird. But anyway, choose the language that actually suits you, and then click on save. And that's it. That is all in the language settings section. So that is it. That is how to change language in Microsoft's account. So please telling me to change to French. I don't know why. Just telling me. Just getting that feeling. Let's try that. Display language to French. I'm not sure it's the angel that's speaking to me. I'm not sure it's angel. It's not showing me French. Oh yeah, Francais. Sorry about that. Say, should we do this? Okay, let's do this. No risks, no glory. Is that the right? Is that the right saying? Change this free language. Free language will be changed to French. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Wonderful. We've done it, and now we don't know where we are. Okay. So I must not leave this page before changing back to English. Otherwise, wait, I got sense. Okay, this is just the second option over here. There is a 1, 2, 3 lingua. This is not a lingua, means English. Language, I mean. Yeah, I'm confident. Let's go back. Okay, so that's it. Go back to the home page. That is how to change language in Microsoft account, in Microsoft account. So it's now in French. I've changed the language to French. Hope you found this video helpful. I hope I did not end up regretting this, but hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now, or should I say au revoir. See, told you I had a Nigerian accent. Doesn't sound French. Au revoir. It's Nigerian.